Well, hello on this 29th day of August, and what is the 9th day that Jaime is working on the mudslide. So I've started from a different place here, and I let you see it here in just a second. As I flip around, you can see the water tank. This is the larger of the two that we have, a concrete tank. I think it holds about 2,000 gallons, and that gives us gobs of pressure for the farmhouse. It's way down there for anything. A hot water machine, hot water heaters need the pressure, and showers and all that. So here I am heading down the hill to check out the work there. Jaime was there today, and his son came as well. But this time when I came up, there was the dumper he had told me about. So he wasn't sure if it would be much faster to use it or not. But from what I can tell, I saw him before I took this video. I never went back later to ask him about it. But from what I can tell, his son is using the little dumper unit. And yeah, definitely I would think taking it a lot faster than him moving all the way up there. But the canyon there is disappearing. There's still some on the left side there, as you see right where he's driving now. You can see that gully. That's probably 10 feet deep still, maybe 15, I don't know. But before it was a good 20, and in some places up here was more. But that's all been pretty much erased, and so his son is dumping it up here. With that, he can get about 2 to 3 scoops in there, which isn't as much as he would like, because if he could use a truck, he would be able to fill it with 7 or 8 scoops of dirt. So the sun was going down. Anytime I got into the sun and turned around, you can tell by the quality there that the sun got into the optics and messed up the quality. But the weather has been good today. There were a little bit of rain. They had a fair bit of rain. They had expected showers and thunderstorms, but as has happened all this year, a lot of warnings and a lot of threats, but no water. And that's what it's been. And at this particular point, it's the best for us, because he couldn't be working if it was downpouring. So he's making progress. He'll be back there tomorrow, I'm sure, because we're supposed to have pretty much the same kind of weather. And I think that's about it for today. There's a picture at the end. And other than that, I think I'll let the conversation, or at least the speaking, go at that. Okay, on this final shot there, you can see his son sitting on the side of the cabin there as they finish up.